Is your iPhone running slower than usual? Apps take forever to load. The screen lags. And even simple tasks feel frustrating. Don't worry, you don't need to reset your phone or buy a new one. In this video, I'll show you proven ways to speed up your iPhone instantly without losing your data. One of the biggest reasons iPhones feel slow is too many apps running in the background. Double press the home button or swipe up if you have Face ID to open the app switcher. Swipe away all the apps you're not using. This frees up memory and gives your phone an instant boost. A nearly full storage slows down everything. Go to Settings, greater than General, greater than iPhone storage. Here, you'll see which apps are taking up the most space. Delete unused apps. Clear old downloads. Or move large videos and photos to iCloud or Google Drive. Aim to keep at least 10 to 15% of your storage free. If you use Safari a lot, your browser cache might be slowing your phone down. Go to Settings greater than Safari, greater than Clear History and Website Data. This simple step can make browsing faster and smoother. Many apps constantly refresh in the background, draining both speed and battery. Go to Settings greater than General. Background app, refresh and turn it off for apps you don't need updating in real time. This cuts hidden processes that slow your iPhone down. Apple's animations look nice, but can make older phones lag. Go to Settings greater than Accessibility, greater than Motion, and turn on Reduce Motion. Also, under Accessibility, greater than Display and Text Size, enable Reduce Transparency. These small tweaks make your phone feel much faster. Outdated software often causes slowdowns. Go to Settings greater than General, greater than Software Update, and install the latest version. Also update your apps through the App Store. Updates usually include performance improvements and bug fixes. Many people never restart their iPhone, but restarting clears temporary memory and background tasks. Try rebooting your phone at least once a week to keep it running smoothly. Too many widgets and constant notifications can slow things down. Long press your home screen, tap the minus sign, and remove widgets you don't use. Also, go to Settings, Notifications, and turn off alerts for unnecessary apps. If your iPhone still feels slow, go to Settings greater than Battery, greater than Battery Health. If your maximum capacity is low, your phone may be throttling performance. While you don't need to reset your phone, replacing the battery can bring back original speed. And there you go, simple, effective ways to speed up a slow iPhone without resetting it. These tricks work on all iPhone models, from older devices to the latest versions. Before you think about buying a new phone, try these steps. You'll be surprised how much faster your iPhone feels. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more iPhone and tech tips, and drop a comment telling me which step made the biggest difference for your phone.